Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. All right, my name is Abdulwahab. In the previous video I actually teach you on how you can actually sell USDT. That is, in your own business, if you actually want to accept crypto, once you accept it, how you can actually sell it to your bank. Okay, with this process you'll be able to accept payment. Okay, so and that is exactly what I taught you in the previous video. All right, so in this video I'm also going to show you, should in case you actually want to pay people in crypto. All right, so you should be able to pay without any limitation. Okay, because if you want to pay some certain amount of money, bank can be requesting for some documents. All right, and this is why crypto is very important in this aspect, because you can send as much as possible using cryptocurrency to anywhere in the world. All right, okay, so I'm going to show you how you can actually purchase crypto with your own naira. All right, so once you have purchased it, before you can actually send it to that person through any means the person wants you to use to send it. Okay, so in this case I'm going to use Binance as an example. All right, so I'm going to use Binance Exchange as an example for you to know on how you can actually do this. All right, so if you don't have Binance account, there's a link in the description box of this video. Just click on the link and register on Binance right now. Make sure you verified your account also. All right, so okay, so let's go in there. Let me buy crypto right now for you to actually see. All right, so once you are here, the first thing you actually need to do is for you to actually click on these trades. All right, so once you click on this trade, it's going to take you to this area, and once you're on this area, the next thing you need to do is to actually click on this P2P. This P2P means peer to peer. It means you're going to send money to someone, right, and the person will release crypto to you. Okay, you don't need to panic, because Binance is going to be an escrow, and if you follow this step-by-step method that I'm actually using right now, okay, so you're going to be successful doing it. All right, and this is how we trade crypto in cryptocurrency market space to make profits. Okay, so let's go in, because the purpose of this now is just for you to buy crypto. All right, okay, so once you click on this P2P, it's going to take you to this area. All right, if you can actually see, you'll be seeing the market price. Okay, you can actually see 1 USDT right now is 744.90 naira. Okay, so and if you want to buy, you are going to be able to search for the amount you want to buy, okay, and buy from people. These are people here that are actually selling, buy, ready to sell to you, and you can actually buy from them. All right, okay, so let's go in right now. So the next thing you need to do is for you to actually come to this area that is showing filter. All right, okay, if you want to, for you to actually filter the amount you want to buy. Okay, but before that, you can actually see NGN here at this top here. So that means if you are in Nigeria and you actually want to buy with your naira, okay, so for you to buy with your naira, make sure you have the money in your bank account right away. Okay, make sure the bank that you'll be using, it should be in your own name. All right, the name you use to create your Binance account should be the same with the name that you use to open your bank account. Okay, so that if there is any problem, you can easily rectify it. Okay, because some merchant here, everywhere there will be scammers. All right, but if you follow this my step, I have been using this step for years now, and I have been actually successful. That is why I'm telling you exactly what you need to do and what you shouldn't do. For example, if your name is Musa Jamil, all right, in your own bank account. So if you are registering your Binance account, it should also take Musa Jamil. It shouldn't take Musa J, just J, all right? So it's not nice. Or Musa, what is the name? Musa John. No, it shouldn't go like this, okay? That means this is different people trading, all right? So we want everything to be the same. Okay, so make sure you follow this step. All right. So if you like this video, make sure you like this video, turn on your notification bell. Make sure you also subscribe to this video, so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified first. Okay, all right, so let's go in right now. Let me buy this. Okay, so for me to actually buy, let's say I want to buy crypto worth of like 20,000 naira. So I'm going to come here and click on this filter. All right, so once I click on this filter, it's going to take me to this box, and once I'm here in this box, so I'm going to come here and click on the amount I actually want to buy. So I'm going to write 20,000 naira there. Right, so I've actually typed 20,000 naira there. So I'll come here and click on this bank transfer because I want to transfer with my bank account. All right. So once I'm done, so I'm going to come down here and click on this one. I don't want only merchant. I want people who are not merchant for them to also come out. But you can still leave it on this one, but I will turn it off. I don't want only merchants, okay, because merchant price will be higher than others, okay, and that is why I'm taking this into consideration. So once I'm done, I'm going to click on this confirm. All right. So I click on confirm, so you can actually see the price has actually reduced. It was 744.90 just now, and I've actually do this and the price has actually reduced. All right. So I want to buy the amount. You can actually see people here. This one is selling from 5,000 to 20,000, from 4,000 to 20,000. This one from 4,000 to 50,000. All right. But what I'm actually going to do, you just place an order. There are some things that you actually need to do. All right. So the thing you actually need to do before you trade with any person, before you buy from them, okay, is you're going to see their completion rate and the number of trade those people have actually completed. All right. So let's take a look at this first person here. All right. So this first person here have 767 trades. All right. 767 trades. And if you look at the completion rate, this is 96.20. Fine. So if you see anybody below 80, I don't trade with people below 80, okay, because that means they are not that serious with their business. You can place order with them and they will not be online to release crypto for you immediately, okay. Even if they did not release crypto for you immediately, they can run away with your money or with the crypto, because once you place order, Binance is going to lock up their USDT. They can't withdraw it again. That is how it works. All right. Binance is going to be an escrow. If people is telling you release this fund before they release to you, they release your coin to you, no, you don't do that. If they say pay first or you should confirm it before they, no, you don't do that. Make sure you follow this step that I'm actually taking you through. All right. If you can actually follow this, you are going to be successful. You buy crypto and send to your relatives anywhere, and they will convert it into their own currency as fast as possible within 10 to 15 minutes. All right. This is how easy it is in cryptocurrency for you to make transaction. Okay. So let's continue and move in right now. Okay. So this one is 99.50. Okay. So which means this one has a higher completion rate. Okay. And this person is just selling from 4,000 to 20,000. All right. This one is 80.60. I won't trade with this. I'll trade with those two people. So I'll click on buy from this second one. All right. So once I click on buy, so once you are here, make sure you read the terms and condition. It says no third party payment. All right. So this person's rules. What does it mean? You know, earlier I explained that you shouldn't use other people's account to pay people. Make sure you have the money in your account. That is what this person is telling you now. Don't go and use another person's name to come and pay him while your Binance name is taking another name, okay, because it can cause confusion at time. It can cause confusion. Most of the people, especially most of the people that has high number of trades, people will be placing orders. 10 people can place orders. The person will be looking at their name and be confirming their trades. All right. If you use this third party, it can have side effect. Okay. It's not good because I've been there and I've actually been a merchant and I know how it is. Okay. Make sure you follow this person's terms and conditions so that you don't have any problem. All right. So I'm going to type in the amount here, which is the 20,000 naira I actually want to buy. Okay. All right. So 20,000 naira. All right. So I'm going to have 26.88 USDT right here. Okay. So I'm going to click on buy with zero fee. All right. So you can actually see buy with zero fee. I'm going to make this payment right now. Okay. Can actually be chatting with this person here. So I'm going to click on this make payment first. Once I click on this make payment, all right, so this person's account is PalmPay. You can actually see PalmPay. All right, so I'm going to pay to this account, okay? And if once you are on this page, make sure you trade within this minute, okay? The time is counting down 14 minutes. If you just have 15 minutes because this person said 15 minutes for his trade, okay? All right, so and I have just 15 minutes to pay this person. If within the 15 minutes I did not pay, the trade will cancel automatically. All right. But once you have make payment, you just come here immediately to come and click on transfer notify seller. If you make payment and you did not click on this transfer notify seller, this person is not going to be able to your money will go, okay, because you did not click this. Binance is not going to know that you have actually paid, and Binance will not be able to secure your fund for you, okay. Once you just make payment, make sure you click on transfer notify seller. All right. So right now I'm going to copy this account number, so I'll go to my own bank right now and pay this amount of money to this very person, okay. All right. So I'm just going to click on this area to copy this account number. Don't type account number one after the other. All right. Okay, so I can click on this chat to see if the person sent a message again. No, it is just the automated message. I can actually chat this person here. Okay, I will make payment now. I will make payment now. All right, so can you actually see? Okay, I will make payment now. All right, so I'll go back to my app right now and pay this person. Once I've paid, I'll come here and click on this transfer notify seller. Okay, so you can actually see the time is still counting down. No time. Let me go there right now and pay this person this amount of money. All right, so right now I'm here in my bank account and I want to pay this person this amount of money. All right, so once you are doing this, make sure in the description box of this payment you don't write anything like crypto, USDT, or Binance. Don't type that here. It is not good. Okay, just type your own name here. Okay, if you can actually say I've just typed my own name and I'm going to pay this money to this person right now. All right, so right now I've just paid this person this amount of money. Okay, so I'll download my receipt right now. Okay, but before that, okay, so let me download my receipt right now. All right, so I've downloaded my receipt so that once this person cannot confirm that, I'll send this person the receipt of the payment. Okay, so I've actually paid this person, and if you can actually see, the time is still going. Time is not waiting. All right, okay, I have 10 minutes left. Okay, now that I've paid this money, I want you to understand this area perfectly. Okay, stay tuned to understand this area perfectly, because if you make mistake in this area, it's going to land you into a problem. Now that I've actually paid this person money, I don't know this person, and this person don't know me. Okay, I need to click on this transfer notify seller. If not, this person cannot release crypto for me. And again, if I not click on this transfer notify seller, if this time count down and it reach zero, okay, and it reach zero, the trade is going to cancel automatically, because the trade doesn't know if I have paid this person. Okay, it is only when I click on this transfer notify seller that it will notify the person that this person said he has actually paid, or release crypto for this person. Okay. All right, so if you not do that, you will lose all your money. And if you're not, you can still have access to chat this person in the chat box, but if the person is not a good person, the money will be gone. All right, but if it's someone who fear gods and actually know that it's not good, the person can still refund back your money for you, and not through crypto. Person will make transfer. Okay, so I'm going to click on this transfer notify seller right now. I'll click on it. All right, okay, so now that I've actually clicked on this transfer notify seller, all right, so this person cannot run away with my money again, or the crypto. Okay, this person have actually sent message on the chat box. All right, look at it here. So I'll go there. Okay, the person said okay, which means he's online. Okay, I can write paid right now and click on send. All right, okay, so it has been sent to the person. If this person did not release crypto, so I'll click on this appeal. Okay, and Binance will come in here and get this person, and they will hold the person responsible, and they will release crypto for me, because I have screenshot or receipt of my payment. Okay, all right, it's very easy, and if you follow this step, nothing can actually happen to you. But if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bell, so that anytime I drop a new video like this, you'll be notified first. Okay, so this person has actually released my fund to me immediately. Okay, this 26.88 USDT, because the person has actually confirmed the payment in his own bank account. All right, 20,000 naira has just been paid to the person. It is easy doing if you follow this step-by-step guide. Okay, so you don't need to panic. Follow this very step. So I'll click on okay. This fund has been released to my wallet right now. No cap about it. Okay, you can actually see successful. All right, okay, order completed. All right, so you can actually see this person was online. And why this person was online? Because I look at the completion rate. Okay, and I actually see the percentage of this person. The person was around 90, I think 96 or 99. I choose within these two people. Okay, I choose the one of 99%. All right, which means this person is very serious about his own business. All right, but in some cases, if you still find it like someone is around 90 or 90 something, and they are not there to release crypto for you, you can still wait for for some minutes or hours. So if you can't wait, you can appeal anytime you like, because Binance will not take it easy with them. All right. Okay. So make sure you stick to this very method if you want to buy crypto. Now, once you have actually purchased this crypto, for you to actually send it to that person, it will now determine whether the person say you should send through ID or you should send through wallet. Okay. So if you don't know how to do this one, I don't want this video to be too long. You can drop it in the comment section of this video that you don't actually know how to pay person once you have buy. Then I can actually record another video, or I will take you through my crypto class. Okay, because I have crypto class where I take newbies through on how you can actually be doing this. You don't need to spend hours queue in the bank to send money to your people abroad. Okay, because it is now easy doing with this very method. Okay. All right, so thank you very much. I remain Abdul Wahab. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video like this, you will be able to get the information as fast as possible. Okay. You can also watch the previous video where I talked about how you can also sell it to your bank account. All right, because if you actually buy, you can also sell. All right, and people will pay you exactly how we pay this person. Then you also release the crypto. It is very, very easy. Okay, make sure you watch the previous video. Thank you, and see you at the top.